And time now for the weather watch. Ryan, it's so like a weird feeling. You know, it's not summer yet, but it feels like summer. But I'm getting allergies, but it's still spring.
I hear you. And I think the funny thing is, Carmen, just like 4 or 5 days ago, it was cool and windy and didn't feel like this at all.
So what's going on here? What's the season?
This is sometimes happens in May. We get big changes, and we're going to continue that this week. But I have to say the pattern going forward does continue to look pretty warm around here. So in the days ahead, Monday, we'll keep an eye on for some showers and thunderstorms. That's really the only day in the forecast, though, with some rain. So another very dry stretch. I think in the weeks ahead, you might hear us start to throw around the drought word, because if we don't get any serious rain, which I don't see any in the near term, that may be an issue. Tuesday through Thursday, it looks dry, comfortable. There will be a breeze at times, especially Tuesday. And then, yes, next weekend, the heat and humidity may come back. Here's the trend. Average high now 71, really only one day below that on Wednesday. And then we may get into the 90s inland next weekend, even hotter than it has been the last few days. Tonight, some showers now lifting out of northern Connecticut, heading into Massachusetts. Otherwise, some mist, drizzle, and patches of fog out there. A dense fog advisory up for the shoreline, where there will be areas of fog forming tonight. 69 in Windsor Locks and in Hartford, 63 in New Haven. We're at 59, though, in Groton, where we didn't get out of the 60s today. So a few showers around tonight, areas of fog, a mild and muggy night with most of us staying in the 60s. Tomorrow, we continue the theme of cooler at the shoreline. We'll stay in the lower to mid 70s for most of us at the shoreline, while you do get into the upper 70s to around 80 farther inland. Again, Stonington, Mystic, Groton will be the coolest places in the state tomorrow, while we get up to about 75 or so in Norwich and Montville, 80 from Hartford to Windsor over to Avon, and Sharon hitting 80 degrees with some sunshine tomorrow afternoon as well. So in the morning, probably a pretty dull start, maybe a lingering shower and some patchy fog. Then in the afternoon, the sun will come out from west to east. Last place to see that will be in eastern Connecticut. And there might be a pop-up shower late in the day or tomorrow evening. I don't think it'd be a big problem. However, tomorrow evening and tomorrow night, it does look like we'll have some clouds around, and there is a total lunar eclipse tomorrow night. That's when the moon looks pink, and it actually lasts for a long time, from 11:30 or so in the evening through about almost, let's see, 1:35 or so is when the partial eclipse comes to an end. At least you have a big window. I can't promise the whole time you'll be able to see this, but if you get a clear patch or two in the sky, you'll be able to see the moon in its pink appearance tomorrow night. That's some pretty cool stuff. After that, I think the clouds and fog fill back in for Monday morning. And then Monday, we keep an eye on these storms, which likely roll through western Connecticut around 4 or 5 o'clock and then come through the rest of the state Monday evening. Potential is there for some severe weather, and then it's cooler and breezy for the middle of the week. Here it is, all in the 7-day forecast, a very summery late May forecast. High temperatures near 80 degrees inland for both tomorrow and Monday. Tuesday, breezy, cooler, highs in the lower 70s. We stay breezy on Wednesday as well. And then we climb back up. Inland areas into the low 90s possibly next weekend. And even the shoreline could make it into the 80s as well, which is warmer than we have been during this stretch of summer-like weather. I'll see you with more coming up at 11 o'clock.